I'm Alice Ford and we're back in northern Norway.
Good morning from the beautiful state of Colorado.
We're just having an afternoon coffee break before I head back on safari. This is the Garden Island, Kauai, Hawaii. As you guys can see, it is absolutely beautiful down here. I've never seen so many turtles. They believe that this actually keeps you healthier here in Oslo. It's pretty cool. The views are just already stunning. I know I told you guys I came to Norway to experience the midnight sun, but I actually just came for the waffles. The road here actually became a river. I don't know about you guys, but this video is making me a little crabby. Heading off at about midnight tonight to get to the summit. You helped me conquer something truly spectacular. Are you guys ready to herd some reindeer? Welcome to the Sorasniva Igloo Hotel. Pretty incredible view. New and unique experience for me here in the Serengeti is staying at a bush camp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what to do now. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a friend or on social media so that we can grow this channel also. And thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, check out one of these other videos on my channel, and I will see you guys out on another adventure very soon.